Hey everyone, welcome to the Servv YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain how to use the events widget provided by the Servv app. The events widget will allow you to showcase the events you have created on your Shopify store. In order to do that, first of all, you need to be on the Servv app. You can get to the Servv app by going to your home page on your Shopify store, going to apps and then selecting Servv. When you select Servv, you will be on the dashboard page. Now you can see multiple tabs here like dashboard, account, analytics and settings. I want you to go to settings. On the top here you can see multiple options: widget, dashboard, filters, notifications, translations and color customization. These allow you to edit and customize your Servv app based on how you want to do it. So for now I want to go to widget. When you go to widget, first of all you see the global setting. This is the widget filter. This will allow your customers to search through the list of events by clicking on these filters. These filters can be edited via filters here. You can change them into whatever you like. The defaults are location, language, category, member and team. But you can change them. You can put whatever you like there. Now coming to the widget. First of all, the event widget. Make sure the activate widget is on. It should not be off. Once you have the activate widget on, you will see the widget view mode, the in-page view or the pop-up view. Now the difference this creates is very simple. I'll show you in a second. If the widget is on in-page view, then as you can see right here on our demo store, this is the widget. It shows a calendar and a list of all the events we have. In-page view, this is how it will look. Now let's suppose we go to pop-up view. You go to pop-up view, we save. Once we have done that, now you can see there is no widget here, but you can see a book event pop-up. You click on this, this will open the same widget here now. So this is the difference between in-page view and pop-up view. You can pick whichever of the two you like. Let's go with in-page view for now. The padding option allows you to create indentation based on pixels or percentage. You can either add this or choose not to add it. It's completely up to you. The other 5 options we have here will allow you to edit the widget. Show calendar will edit the calendar. Actually, let's just save and let's just show you right now what it does. So here you can see we are back to in-page view. This is the widget title, upcoming event. This is the calendar, and these are the widget filters. Right now we only have member and location added, but if you have added all the filters, then the customers will be able to select based from them. Now, if I turn show calendar to off and save. Now when I reload, you can see here there is no calendar, just a list of events. This is the change it causes. If you turn it on and uncheck the display calendar permanently, then what happens is the calendar will show here, but you have an option. The customer who sees this will have an option to turn the calendar off or on based on their wish. With the show widget title, if you uncheck that, the title disappears. That's the effect the show widget title has. Show event images will not, if you uncheck that, the event images will stop appearing. I'll show you that as well. So we reload this and now there's just the text. There are no event images that are appearing. And last option that we have on the event widget is the show event list separator badges. Once you uncheck that, as you can see, the separators have disappeared. The ones that were separating the events via dates, those badges have disappeared. Now I'll show it to you once again. Show events list and I'll save. Once that's saved, I will do this. And now you can see we have today, we have Wednesday. These badges disappear. That was all for today's video. This is the event widget. This is how to use it. You can use it to make your Shopify experience better and to showcase your events from the Servv app in a great way. I hope you understood the steps.